Hello and welcome to PointWise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today's video is going to be a little different. We wanted to take the opportunity to thank all of our users, all the people who have remained engaged with the material that we've put out there. We really appreciate that. We really appreciate your questions. Travis and I, a couple weeks back, did a live Q&A over some general mesh questions or general meshing questions. We recently released an on-demand online training. We did a webinar, kind of a comprehensive review of that training, the functionalities, how to use it, and so on. We also released a webinar recently. It was solution-based mesh adaptation, which was well received. Nick, Steve, and Paul did a great job there. Generated a lot of good questions. So putting a lot of content out there, we wanted to put it to the user. If they had any questions or suggestions for Tutorial Tuesday videos, to go ahead and take this time to either put it in a comment below, connect with us via Twitter, or email us directly. If you have questions about scripting, of course you can visit our GitHub page. If you have any questions about those scripts or want to see those demonstrated, certainly. If you have any topology questions for structured meshing or unstructured meshing, it doesn't matter. Hybrid meshing, whatever questions you may have. We have a lot of features that are coming up over the next few months. We have a busy summer ahead of us, so we wanted to put it out there to the users to provide us with some topics that they might want to get covered before we get busy with some of the new features that are coming up. So again, we wanted to thank you for your participation, your engagement, and your usage of PointWise. We here at PointWise certainly appreciate that. And again, so if you have any suggestions, please put them below. We appreciate it, and have a great Tuesday.